Ayun, okay na. Okay, it's 12:50. Solar eclipse enthusiast yung trip natin ngayon. Kakangawit. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Dito kayo sa Dallas, Texas para mag-witness ng solar eclipse. It's once in a lifetime experience. It's already 12:52. We're expecting the total solar eclipse at around 1:40 p.m. So let's see then kung ano magiging itsura. Here's my eye protection. Ready na yung cellphone. Is it recording? Okay. Oh, awesome. What a wonderful experience. Getting close. Ang hirap mag-adjust. Yan talaga, ang hirap mag-adjust. May hugot. Takes time mag-adjust, alaonan. Ang petsa na. Ang init. Kaya minsan lang naman maarawan. Oo. I'm amazed with this goggles kasi yung araw lang talaga yung makikita mo. Yun. Kalimutan ko magdala ng tubig. We are expecting the totality by 1:40. Update guys, 1:20. Bad trip. It's cloudy. Ganda na sana yung lugar namin dito. Well, actually may forecast naman talaga na magiging cloudy ngayong araw at bukas ulan. Baka sakali lang kami dito, baka gumanda yung panahon. So, time check. 1:22. 20 minutes more. And I'm thirsty. Kalimutan magdala ng tubig. Okay. Naka-focus ka na?
Kung ano lang pinahimo.
Photo? Cloudy na yung forecast. Wala nang half sun, half clouds. Wala, parang iba na yung It's getting dimmer. Dimmer. 1:28 time check. Oh, parang 90% na. The totality will take around 4 minutes. Tapos nun, release naman siya. Time check, 1:29. Super shine, super shine. Okay, ang near. Oh. Kasalukuyang makulimlim na mga kaibigan. Tanghaling tapat pero parang mag-alas 6 na. Oh. Oh no. Oh my God. Oh my God. Nag-dim na yung paligid. Maliwanag pa naman sa screen. Oh my god. What's that? Makulimlim na. Wow. Oh no. There you go. Hello. Hello. Yun na. La na. Look. 140. Total solar eclipse. Oh. Oh my god. Look at surroundings again. Time check 140. Buti lang may battery pa yung camera ko. Oh my god. 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 Wow. Oh my god. It's already dark in here. Pero parang maliwanag sa screen. Pero as in, parang gabi na talaga. Check ko nga yung phone ko. Actually, wala nang makita sa phone ko. I'll let you show dito. Oh. I don't know if you can see it. Pero parang it's a ring. Oh no. Yeah. Ano, 42 minutes is past. Tanggalin ko. I'll remove the... Now time check 1:42. That's a total solar eclipse. Grabe. Guys. Di mo na kailangan nito. Madilim na. Yes, yes. Oh. 1:43. Check again the surroundings. See? Parang gabi na dito. Here in Dallas. Gabi na dito sa Dallas. Joke. 1:43 p.m. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Okay lang naman. Tolerable naman yung lamig. There you have it. Total solar eclipse. Hey guys, wonderful experience. Oh my God. I just don't know. Uy, may pa fireworks pa. Uy, it's moving now. See, guys. Sana makaya pa. Oh, lumiliwanag na ulit. Oh, the totality has ended already. Balik ko na yung phone ko. Pahirapan naman ito mag-adjust. Oh. It's still the same. Lumiliwanag na naman. So, need to put this back. Oh my God. Kakailang oh my God na ako. Okay. Check the surroundings. It's 1:45 and it's getting lighter. It's 1:45.
Which one is you?
Oh. Ay,
There's
oh.
several.
This one.
The digital creator,
Yeah.
this one. Okay.
Aspiring digital creator.
Okay. So
All
I'm
right.
Donna. So if you have to friend me. It's me.
Yes, yes.
To the moon and back.
Uh-huh.
That's nice. Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks also. Nice. Karoon tayo ng bagong follower. Now, time check, 2 p.m. Maliwanag na ulit. I think. Oh, ito.
So how do I get to you on Instagram? I put in Elvin Jim.
Oh. Can you touch this? Oh, there's a lot of. Oh, this one. Jim Alvin.
Gene and
Got it.
Elvin.
Yeah, that's it.
Got it. Thank you.
You're welcome. New follower. Wow. Yay! Thank you, Lord, for this experience. Your creation is so amazing.
Yun, nangyayari sila.
Oh,
Final na witness din sila.
namungan. Okay, 4% na lang yung battery ko. We're going back to Childress. It was a nice experience witnessing the total solar eclipse dito sa Dallas, Texas with my friend here. And it's a wrap. We'll see you in my next one. Bye. Comment, like, and subscribe.